If you want to let someone know exactly where you are in seconds, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to share your location on WhatsApp quickly and easily, so you never have to explain directions again. The first method is to open up the Google Maps application on your device. Then tap here to see where exactly you are now. Then tap here. Change map type from default to satellite. Zoom into this blue dot for more accuracy. Then tap and hold on it, and a new pop-up will appear like this. Press on this share icon. Copy your location from here and send it to that person you want to share location with. Whenever someone clicks on that link, it will jump to your location. The second way is from your WhatsApp itself. Go to that person's chat to which you want to share your location. Tap on this icon, then press on location. Now, if you want to share your live location, you will press here, Share Live Location. Select a time for which you want to share, like I'm selecting for 15 minutes. Add your comments and press Send here. Now the other person can see your real-time location for 15 minutes. And lastly, if you want to share just your current location for once, then again, go there. Press here to send your current location, and it will be shared with the other person. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.